नमो तस् भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्दस्स नमो तस् भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्दस्स नमो तस् भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्दस्स. Dear Venerable Sangha, today our starting Dhamma talk. Tomorrow morning we are starting our intensive meditation program for 10 days. The coming 10 days is very special. This coming 10 days meditation is very special due to the Vesak period. So next 15 days Vesak day come to us. For Buddhists, worldly Buddhists, Vesak day is very important day. The reason we all know, our Bodhisattva, he had been fulfilling his parami during the very long period, Asankhya 4 plus 100,000. So longer period had been fulfilling parami. And his last life, 35 years before the enlightenment, that born in the world as the Siddhartha. Day, Vesak day, very special. Before the enlightenment, 35 years before born. And after that, after 29 years, have the great renunciation, then had the great difficult practice in the forest in 6 years. After that, under the Bodhi tree, defeated Mara and practiced and fully enlightened in the Vesak day. Then the duties of the Buddha, preaching Dhamma, teaching Dhamma, and also giving some attainments. So many had been happening during the 45 years. During the 45 years, we know Asankhya years, 24 beings they attained. So big amount could attain because of Buddha's teaching. So after completing the Buddha's work, duties, pass away. After 45 years, pass away the day of the Vesak day. It's very special for all Buddhists. We are memorizing the Vesak day, so that we also, the present retreat, very special, is 10 days retreat. So we experience some of the meditation experiences. Later we can offer this energy, experience, power to the Lord Buddha. So we determine the coming retreat. We practice effortfully. Sometimes early morning wake up, we feel a bit lazy. We think, oh, our Bodhisattva, when he was fulfilling parami, how many difficulties he had, even though he done it. Why I can't? Daytime also sometimes some difficulties come, some painfulness. Oh, our Bodhisattva, how many difficulties he had, but he done his practice. Why I can't? Evening also some difficulties we compare to our Bodhisattva life. So then energy comes. So we can practice. If anyone capable to practice, they can experience. If anyone capable to practice, they can experience the tranquility. The body calmness, comfortableness, and also not difficult to sit, not difficult to practice. We call tranquility, passaddhi, also one benefit. If you maintain meditation object during these 10 days, further you can have the brightness, mental brightness. Sometimes all in front brightness, sometimes all room brightness. So very strong brightness is appearing because of the meditation object. So if you are practicing samatha, you can go to the absorption level, dhyana level. If you are practicing vipassana, you can go to the attainment level. All those meditation results you can have because of the continuous practice. So we determine during these 10 days, I practice effortfully. As much as possible, I practice effortfully and I determine to have some meditation results. So we know most of the venerables already determined. So we determine again to continue this meditation program. One day, 2 day bit difficult, but later will be more comfortable. Till the comfortableness comes, we determine again and practice. Wish all of you to fulfill this meditation retreat. So the meditation, we know everyone need this meditation practice. Most of us already will determine. But to get the meditation results, we need few of the things. One thing is effortful practice we need. Because of morning I can't practice, because of the afternoon I can't practice, because of the food I can't practice, because of the empty stomach I can't practice. If you think in this way, never get the results. If you think that whatever the condition I should practice, this effort is necessary. So one thing, effort. Another thing is meditation object. You have to select the correct meditation object, effective meditation object together with the teachers. Your own selection also useful, but together with the teacher's experience, better select meditation object. Third one, you are maintaining meditation object in correct way. Means you are keeping your meditation object, repeating your meditation object in correct way. Again, you maintain your meditation object in correct way. If you are with these conditions, definitely you can have the meditation results. Within these 10 days, you can have the meditation results. Some days say, oh, I cannot concentrate, my meditation no good. They can reflect whether they had been doing these conditions in earlier retreats. If they had been doing, still results no come means maybe some karma issues. But we sure that the majority of you definitely can get the results if you are with these conditions. So the meditation object, various venerable, they are practicing various objects, but here we are going to teach general object, breath in, breath out, anapana object. We are going to teach little bit. Most of you know how to practice. It is better we start with the counting. Even the experienced one also doesn't matter. Start with the counting. Breath in, we start with the counting. Breath in, breath out. We can count as the breath in 1, breath out 1. So second breath in 2, and breath out 2. We can count it two ways. One is we can use the breath in, breath out word also. Another way is without using the word 1, 1. Out also 1, 1. Second breath 2, 2. Out also 2, 2. On that way up to the 8. After the 8 we had been counting. So then your counting very easy maintain without breaking. You're focusing, you're counting without breaking, you can do it. That means good level. After few minutes you can do it. Then you can stop counting, just do the notification. Labeling, breath in, breath out, breath in, breath out. When you are focusing the breath in, breath out, the notification period, you repeat, beginning start with the general, later notification you do with the whole breath together, breath beginning until end. Notification also go beginning until end. Breath in, breath out, breath in, breath out. Like that, this notification together, we maintain breath. So that sometimes later you feel more tranquil, more comfortable. If you like, you can stop this notification. Just see breath in, breath out also enough. After calmness, after comfortableness, just see breath also enough. So this way we determine to maintain our practice during this period. Some other practice also the same way. If you're practicing bodily 32 parts or loving kindness, also same way, just beginning notifications only, later object and notification, later after calmness, comfortableness, just object only. So this way we try to experience meditation object during these 10 days, and we try to experience deeper concentration and later vipassana and attainments. So the meditation object we understand, we have to maintain. Sitting posture also, we know that sit cross-legged, body upright. But we should not give some pressure to the body. If you sit very hardly, your knees also very hardly tension, back also hardly tension, is not suitable. Concentration not coming. You have to sit cross-legged, relax way. Body upright also relax way. Then relax your muscles. Then focus in meditation results very faster. Our body we keep relaxed. Then focus meditation object. Results very good. So this way we maintain meditation object in sitting time. If you are sometimes late, if you feel too much pain, little bit you can adjust, no harm. Again you bring to a normal posture and continue practice. So posture, simply relax, maintain is very useful. Working period, also try to maintain main object. If difficult, you can focus your steps. That the steps you can focus left, right is one of the way. Another way is lifting and keeping. Another one is lifting, moving and keeping. So this way you can focus. It is very important to maintain mindfulness. When you are walking time, if you are mindful power is increasing. It is very important. If not just walking, very less results. You are walking only by just saying left, right, very less meditation results. But walking time, you are maintaining left, right, mindfully. You are focusing. That lifting, moving, keeping, you are focusing. So that mindfulness power become better and better. Very easy to get the concentration. So these conditions together, we maintain your practice. Definitely you can have deeper meditation results. So the Buddha time, one of the story also we like to remind, and we are going to explain it with Dhamma related to the Buddha's period. You know the Buddha time, two brother venerables there. One is Mahapantaka and another one is Julapantaka. So Mahapantaka venerable, he ordained and attained Arahant. Later brother also ordained Julapantaka. He had been studying a verse during 4-month period, couldn't memorize it, couldn't learn it. So brother think, Venerable Mahapantaka think, brother is not suitable to keep ordination. It's better go home. Ask brother to go home. Ask Venerable Julapantaka to go home. Venerable Julapantaka still don't like to go, but forced to go him. So then he even don't like, come out. So then the later Venerable meet the Lord Buddha and Lord Buddha gives some meditation object, later attain Arahant. So then this story is another thing, but Venerable Mahapantaka done this work. So later on in the Dhamma talk place, Venerable had been talking, oh Venerable Mahapantaka is not suitable to do this work. He is angry and take the brother out kuti. It is not suitable. He had the angry, he had the defilement, it is not suitable. Venerable had been talking. Buddha come to the Dhamma preaching place. Asked Venerable what he had been talking. Said, Bhante, we had been talking about the Venerable Mahapantaka. He is angry and take his brother out from the kutis. It's not suitable as the Venerable. Buddha says, Venerable, don't say it. Don't say it, my son. Not like that. He is not doing this way. My son is not like that, you are saying. So Buddha preached one Dhamma further to explain Dhamma. It comes from the Brahmin Vagga. Yassa rago cha doso cha mano makko vapatito sasa poreva araka tamang bhumi brahmanante. The edge of the needle, if we keep it edge of the needle mustard seed, very easily fall down. Similarly, if anyone remove that greed, hatred, conceit, and also this kind of defilements, if anyone remove, I call them Brahmin, means attain one. Defilements all remove as like the mustard seed remove from the needle tip. So like that, Buddha had been explained Dhamma. So many of the venerables got an urgency. Among them, many could attain path portion. So Venerable Mahapantaka, he already attained Arahant, Buddha explained. So the Buddha here in the Dhamma, Buddha explained defilements. Raga, sensual desire. Dosa is hatred. And Mana, Mana is the ego conceit. Makko is taking down others' qualities, no gratitude. So these kind of defilements, if anyone keep, their life is suffering. So if anyone don't have this defilements, their life is very comfortable. Our Buddha teach for this one. Our Buddha teach for lives to be happy and no defilements. So this defilements removal we can do in 3 levels. If you are doing wholesome work, you are doing duty respectfully, if you are chanting Buddha respectfully, or any chanting, any of the wholesome you are respectfully doing, also your defilement temporarily not active, defilement temporarily going down. And if you are practicing meditation object power become better and better, you get the concentration. The concentration power, your defilement temporarily subside or the hindrances not active. If you are practicing vipassana power, hindrances or defilements gradually can uproot. So these 3 levels, Tadanga, Kambana, Samucched, 3 levels we can remove the defilements. So within these 10 days you can experience, if you maintain your meditation object, continuously object, because of the wholesome power, you can see defilements gradually reducing. So if you have the concentration, you can see defilements that don't have, you feel very comfortable. So these experiences you get because of continuous practice. It is very important to have the continuous practice so that your wholesome or your meditation object development very important to be determined during this 10 days period continuous practice. Beginning of the retreat, you can see you have many greed, hatred, delusion, conceit. But when you are practicing continuously, end of the retreat, you can see this object, this great object, hatred, delusion, conceit, very weakened. Why it happened? Your meditation power, meditation energy. So meditation is the main thing which you can change your mind, which you can remove your defilements. So during these 10 days, we determine to maintain our meditation object as much as possible. So the meditation object can convert our life. You can see, if you are thinking, now we are based on the great hatred delusion, you are again give the great object, hatred object. So greed power, hatred power further increase in your mind. So that's the things we had been happening. So that wise pole one, they are giving good object to the mind. They are giving meditation object, think of Buddha, think of Dhamma, Sangha, any of the meditation object they are giving good object power increasing, gradually your defilements object, you forgetful, reduce power, then get the concentration. This is the way we have to change our mind. Changing our mind depends on us. If you are capable to do it, you can change it. If you are not capable, you cannot do it. Sometimes you can say, we are not trust of the Buddha, not trust Dhamma, not trust the Sangha, no confident of the practice, no self-confident. Means many mentality weaknesses. Why it's happening? Our wholesome power weaken. When our wholesome power is stronger, again trustfulness there, confidence there. Again we bring up more practicing object, meditation object, wholesome object. Then we confident of the Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha, and also we have more confidence of the teachers, teachings, practice. All confidence again come because of the wholesome power good now. So the meditators, they have mentality changes depend on their practice. Immediately not cannot convert, but you have to maintain wholesome object as much as possible. Then you can convert your life. You can come to the real happiness. You can come to the real confidence. You can come to the real comfortableness. So the period, now we know this period, COVID period. So during these 10 days, we determined to maintain practice Vesak period. And we, every day, about 20-30 minutes, we do our loving kindness, spread loving kindness to the world and wish all the worldly beings free from this suffering. Also, we need to do it with this kind of caring. And also, the Buddha fully enlightened to give the peacefulness to the world. We determine when the Vesak day comes, this virus power may reduce. When the Vesak day is coming, in 15 days, when the Vesak day is coming period, whole world, this virus power may reduce because Buddha come to the world for spreading peacefulness. Day of the Vesak day is very special peacefulness day. On that day, we hope whole world virus power may reduce. So this kind of issues together we maintain our practice. So we know our vendors more effortful. So determined to come punctual and practice. So we wish all the vendors to fulfill this practice, experience effortful practice, experience the concentration practice, experience the attainment of the jhanas and attainment path, fruitions and nibbana. Everyone night sharing merits. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Idang mo nyate nang mo tu sukita hontu nyatayo. Idang mo nyate nang mo tu sukita hontu nyatayo. Idang mo nyate nang mo tu sukita hontu nyatayo. Ettavata camme sampatam punya sampadam. Sabbe devanumodantu sabba sampatti siddhya. Sabbe bhutanumodantu sabba sampatti siddhya. Sabbe sattanumodantu sabba sampatti siddhya. Akasatta ca bhummatta deva naga mahiddhika. Punyantang anumoditva cirang rakkantu sambuddha sasanam. Cirang rakkantu sambuddha desanam. Cirang rakkantu sambuddha savakam. Cirang rakkantu mamparante. Asming vihare charame adivatta ca devata. Anumoditva imam punyang rakkantu jina sasanam. Sabbe satta ca majjatta ita ca ahita ca me. Anumoditva imam punyam bojjantu amatam padam. Imina punya kammena mame bala samagamam. Satam samagamo tu yava nibbana pattiya. Imina punya kammena mame bala samagamam. සතං සමාගමෝ තු යාව නිපානපත්තිය ඉමිනා පුඤ්ඤ කම්මේන මාමේ බාල සමාගමෝ සතං සමාගමෝ තු යාව නිපානපත්තිය ඉමාය ධම්මානුධම්ම පටිපත්තිය බුද්ධං පූජේමි ඉමාය ධම්මානුධම්ම පටිපත්තිය ධම්මං පූජේමි ඉමාය ධම්මානුධම්ම පටිපත්තිය සංඝං පූජේමි අද්ධා ඉමාය පටිපත්තිය ජාති ජරා මරණං මහ පරිමුංචිස්සාමි කායේන වාචා චිත්තේන පමාදේන මයා කතං අච්චයං කමමේ බන්තේ බෝරේ පඤ්ඤ තථාගත කායේන වාචා චිත්තේන පමාදේන මයා කතං අච්චයං කමමේ ධම්ම සම්දිත්තික අකාලික කායේන වාචා චිත්තේන පමාදේන මයා කතං අච්චයං කමමේ සංඝ පුඤ්ඤක්ඛිත අනුත්තර සාදු සාදු සාදු